Hello, it's Orlando Caesar with another motivational moment. I consider myself a motivational reactionary. So when you say something to me, be it a greeting or any other conversation starter, I am going to respond to it like a counter puncher, with the objective being to see if I can pull something from what you said to inspire, motivate, and uplift. For example, one of the things that you will hear often, and you probably have said it before, is that someone or something made your day. One of our spin class members, her name is Vicky. We said happy birthday to her through a variety of text messages, and her response to us was, "You guys, you made my day." So I thought about that a moment. So the next day when I saw Vicky, I said, "Vicky, you said to us that we made your day. So in essence, you said that we are a day maker." Think about it. We are a day maker. So at the end of the day or during the day, if you can look for opportunities to make someone smile, to lighten someone's load, to give someone a positive perspective, you qualify as a day maker. So wouldn't that be wonderful? Every day, going through the day, looking for opportunities to be a day maker. So an acronym to take along with that is HABIT. Has anyone been inspired today? So as a day maker, go forth and look for opportunities to make someone's day. As always, I'm somewhere between great and fantastic. It is great to be alive, and we have a fantastic opportunity to make a difference. Therefore, I'm glad to be here. How can I help? Have a wonderful day as a day maker. Thank you.